Hey, hey, beautiful babes, your girl, Sweet Angel. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Today's video is a little bit different because it's been a minute. I have cut my hair on camera before, but that's when I had, my little TWA. But today, I have my new style that I've been rocking. And if you have not seen the video, I will make sure I link it in the iCards or either in the description box under this video. Make sure you check it out. But today I am trying a new little product that I got from Amazon. Amazon gonna get me in trouble because y'all be just doing the most. When I start browsing stuff, I just go all crazy. But y'all, let me show you the product that I'm going to be checking out today. This is called the Bang Ming Hair Cutter, but it's actually a comb. So I'm getting ready to open it up and actually try this out today. So this is it. It comes with, I'm not sure, this is no instructions, that's for sure, but it also comes with 5 extra blades. This is the comb here. All you have to do, and I've seen a video, so I'm going to try to attempt this on my own hair, but y'all know I don't care nothing about no hair. So if I mess it up and I shave all of it off, then so be it. But I'm actually just going to try to fade out the back of my hair. But this comb, this side here, I suppose is for, the making it shorter, and this one is probably for, I don't know, I really don't even know. Let me see if I can go into Amazon and just take a look at what I have gotten myself into, because girl, I don't want to mess up nothing. No, I don't. So it says here, okay, it has the removable blade. So I guess you just pop this one way or the other to open it up some kind of way there. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about anything with this. I don't even know if I should be using it. Oh my word. Oh, it just slips. Oh, you just take the top off. You take the top off. Okay, I got that. So, and it snaps shut to close, and you push the blade in, and then you have the 2 sides here, which is not giving me any info on that. This side here is if you have thick hair and you just want to kind of, I guess, layer it a little bit. And this side is just for cutting. So y'all, let's go to the bathroom and see what we can do with this, okay? Are you ready to go? Come on. So I'm going to try to see what I can do with it. Let me just turn you around to the mirror. So hopefully y'all can see. I'm just going to drag it across there and see what happens. Ooh. Well, it's cutting. It's you. It's you. It's you. For a long time, I've been feeling all right, let me see what's happening. Like nothing much, but something. Someone like you. Maybe I won't always be standing tall,
you feel like not caring at all. But I'll give it my best. I've been waiting for someone like it's you. It's you. Been waiting for someone like you. It's you. It's you. Making me feel I've been waiting for someone like you. It's you. It's you. Making me feel I've been waiting for someone like you. As long as you just hold.
As y'all can see all the hair, can you see all that hair that has fallen out right there? Well, not fallen out, but have been shaved off. Ooh. Look what this other side does. Making me feel I've been waiting for someone like you. Never thought I'd ever feel this way, and never thought I'd ever get to say that it's you. Yeah, it's you. It's you. It's you. It's you. Well, y'all can see that it does in fact work. How about that? Your girl is all shaped up, and this was so easy. And I was a little bit timid at first, so actually both sides really work. This side here, which is the larger side, really did the actual making it look really good. So I'm happy. I am going to make sure I keep these stocked up for sure. I'm impressed. I am done. I am finito. She cute. I love it. And now, if you want one of these, check the link down in the description box. It works like a charm if you're a girl that's rocking a short faded style in the back and you just need a quick touch up before you go to your hair salon or what have you. You got you something right here. This is it. So cute. I love it. This works. This again is the Bang Ming hair cutter comb. That's it. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Please, if you enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, subscribe, drop me some hearts in the comment section, and make sure you tell everybody where you're hanging out at. Y'all, I'm excited. I really am. I didn't think it was going to work, and I was really hoping that it would, and it does. So I can just easily fade the back of my hair and keep it pushing. So now I got to go clean off my neck before I have an itch fit. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Thanks so much, beautiful babes. Make sure you do me one more favor, though. Share me with your world.
Making me feel I've been waiting for someone like you. As long as you just hold me with your strong and loving arm, you'll never see me wonder. 'Cause I know that it's you, and you're making me feel